Your gut is a marvel, an intricate living ecosystem perfectly designed to nourish and sustain you. Within it, trillions of tiny microbes form a vast and dynamic world, working in quiet, powerful partnership with your body. They shape your immunity, balance your blood sugar, and even whisper to your brain, influencing your mood, your cravings, perhaps even your thoughts. This isn't just digestion. It's the foundation of your health, the unseen force that shapes your vitality and well-being. But this miracle is under siege. Gut health problems like irritable bowel syndrome, food intolerances, constipation, acid reflux, and diverticular disease have become so common they're almost regarded as normal. Unhealthy gut microbiomes are contributing to chronic inflammation, depression, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even increasing our risks of autoimmune conditions, dementia, and cancer. Dr. Alan Desmond is on a mission to change all that. As one of the world's leading gastroenterologists, Dr. Desmond has dedicated his career to understanding the complex relationship between gut health, the food we eat, and the quality of the lives we lead. Dr. Desmond has over a decade of clinical practice as a medical gastroenterologist. His numerous academic publications have gained him an international reputation in the gut health community. His credible, evidence-based strategies have helped thousands of people revolutionize their gut health and overall well-being. Dr. Desmond's message is clear. The power to heal your gut and transform your health is in your hands. And that's why I'm so excited that now we get to join together to bring you the Get to Know Your Gut event. Welcome to 60 minutes of trailblazing research and practical know-how that just might change your life forever.